Okay, today is June 30th, 2011, and Kieran is going to be rolling over onto his belly. I hope you just got that because he did it so quickly. Kieran! Let's roll him back onto his back. Hold on. We need to get the full effect. Hi! Here he goes. There he goes. There he goes. 3.5 months. It's going to be 4 months on July 11th. And he's already rolling onto his belly. Yeah, come on. Yay! Big boy! Big boy! Yeah! Oh, I see the kitty cat. He's such a big boy now. Oh my goodness. Kieran! Kieran! Big boy! Look at you. You're losing all your hair. Yeah. Yeah. Oh. Yeah. Oh, your baby here is going bye-bye. You talking? What are you doing? You gonna roll on your back? Kieran! Hey! What are you doing? What are you doing? it. That's cheating. Okay. What are you doing? Okay, guys. Yay. I guess that's about it. Just wanted to show everybody that he's rolled over. Yeah. Thank you, Amber Girl. Yep, he just rolled over. This is his new thing, rolling from his back to his belly. On Father's Day, he surprised Nick from rolling from his belly to his back. So he's made a complete circle now. This little guy's tired now. Let's see if we can get a cute thing. Yeah. What are you doing? Cute face. Hi. Kieran. Kieran. Okay, it's time for us to go to bed. We'll see you later. Good night.